Biomolecules are chemical molecules found in living organisms that are essential for life. Each of these biomolecules performs a different role inside the cell, and we will understand them one by one. But before that, we need to understand one simple term: monomer. A monomer is a small building block. When many monomers join together, they form a larger molecule. For example, many monosaccharides can join together to form large carbohydrates. Many amino acids join together to form proteins, and many nucleotides join together to form nucleic acids like DNA and RNA. But lipids are slightly different. Lipids are not true polymers, so they do not have fixed monomers in the same way proteins or nucleic acids do. However, many common lipids, such as fats and phospholipids, are built from glycerol and fatty acids. So, while monomers are very important for understanding biomolecules, we should remember that lipids are an exception. Now that we understand this basic idea, let's start with the first group: carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are mainly used as a quick source of energy for cells. One important example is glucose. Cells break down glucose during cellular respiration to produce ATP, which acts like the energy currency of the cell. When two monosaccharides join together, they form a disaccharide, such as maltose. And when many monosaccharides join together, they form a polysaccharide, which is a large carbohydrate. These large carbohydrates can be used for energy storage. Plants store carbohydrates as starch, while animals store them as glycogen. Carbohydrates also provide structural support. For example, plant cell walls are made of cellulose, and fungal cell walls are made of chitin. Now let's move to the second group: lipids. Lipids include fats, oils, phospholipids, and steroids. One important feature of lipids is that they are generally hydrophobic, which means they do not mix well with water. This property makes lipids very useful in cells, especially in forming the cell membrane. The cell membrane is mainly made of a phospholipid bilayer, which separates the inside of the cell from the outside environment. Lipids also store energy for a long time. So while carbohydrates provide quick energy, lipids work more like long-term energy storage molecules. They also help in insulation. For example, the myelin sheath around many neurons contains lipids and helps electrical signals travel properly. Some lipids also act as hormones, which means they help in chemical communication inside the body. Now let's move to the third group: proteins. Proteins are made up of small building blocks called amino acids. These amino acids join together in different orders, and because of this, proteins can perform many different functions inside cells. Some proteins provide structure. For example, muscles, hair, and collagen contain proteins. Some proteins are present in the cell membrane as channels and receptors. Channels help certain substances move in and out of the cell, while receptors help cells receive signals from their surroundings. Many enzymes are also proteins, and they speed up chemical reactions inside the body. Antibodies are proteins too, helping protect the body from harmful substances. Some hormones, such as insulin, are also proteins. And finally, the fourth group: nucleic acids. Nucleic acids include DNA and RNA. Their basic building blocks are called nucleotides. DNA stores genetic information inside the cell, which works like instructions that help control cell activities and traits. RNA helps use this information, especially during protein formation. So in simple words, carbohydrates give quick energy and structural support. Lipids store long-term energy and form cell membranes. Proteins perform most of the working functions inside cells, and nucleic acids store and use genetic information. Together, these biomolecules build cells, power life processes, control cell activities, and make living organisms function properly.